Hey, how's it going? Whit from Whit's and Me. Today, I'm going to show you a secret with LUTs that you can use inside DaVinci Resolve 18 that can make your footage look a little more cinematic. It's great for adding that cherry on top with your color grades and can really boost your color grades a little bit more. So without further ado, let's jump right into DaVinci Resolve 18. Alrighty, so we're inside DaVinci Resolve. I'm in the color page. I got my footage here, and I've already done my basic grade, and now I'm ready to add this LUT trick. So I'm going to click Alt-S, and that's going to create a new node. And from here, I'm going to go to my effect library and find the color space transform. It's going to be under Resolve FX color. So I'm going to drag this onto our new node that we added in. From here, I'm going to go back over here to the settings and go to my output gamma. Scroll down until I see Cineon Film Log and click it. Our footage is going to kind of turn this gray, but that's fine. We're going to click this node, click Alt-S again to create a new node again. And we're going to go up here to our LUTs panel, go to Film Looks, and I'm going to use one of these Kodaks. There's 3 different ones. They're all based on color temperature. I'm going to use D65. That's the coolest one, and I think that'd fit well. Add that on. I'm going to close our LUTs panel, and I'm going to select these 2 nodes, right-click, come down here and click Create Compound Node. So now every change that I make with these nodes will work together. So then what I can do is go down here to my key panel and go to this key output gain, and I can take this all the way down to 0 all the way to 2, so which is kind of like a percent. 0 is 0%, 1 is 100, and then 2 is 200. So if I set this somewhere around, let's say 0.3 or something, and then we turn this on and off, you can see it just gives a little bit more styled look. But that's a little trick that I like to use to kind of give it a more cinematic feel with these cinematic film look LUTs. They make a difference, and it's definitely a cherry on top with these on and off. Hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you guys have any questions, comments, or ideas, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to like the video, subscribe for more content in the future, and as always, have a wonderful day.